Yes, that's right, it's Joe here for Joyrider TV. Exciting times here in Vasiliki, Lefkas, Greece, because it's time for the shakedown on the Tornado Bad Boy 94. I've recruited the help of expert Hobie 16 sailor Johnny. Hello. Bit of mast rotation on, and we're going to give it some juice, see what shakes loose. Okay, so got the Traveller all the way out. Just hoping that John manages to get on. Yes, he's done that nicely. And there we are. We are off.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
Okay, in the cross-shore wind, getting out of the buoy lane, clearly a lot easier. So what we'll do first is we're just going to set the jib luff tension. So I'm going to, oh no, we've got Hector coming out on the Tiger and he wants to go downwind, so maybe we'll do it evasive, let's get out of Hector's way manoeuvre. Okay, and then we can head all the way up. So I'll crank the main in, which will tighten the forestay, and then John can, might have to let the sheet off a bit. And what we're looking for in this reasonably strong wind, yeah. Okay, yeah, and while you're there, let's get the downhaul on as well.
Yep.
So I've got the main in pretty tight. So we're just, well, we're looking to get it pretty cranked. And then the intention is for this sail, we really want to put the boat through its paces. So we're going to sail on a pretty hot close reach to start with, once we've said goodbye to Hector. After our hot reach, we're going to take her upwind to a windward mark. Then we're going to deploy the Spinnaker, and we are going to send it with the Spinnaker just to really give it some juice. All right, let's have it. New trapeze line. First time out. Oh yeah, you are out. Okay, drop yourself down a bit. Come back towards me. Yeah, it's not really designed for holding. For holding. You could grab hold of the Traveller line if you want something. Downhaul? I think the it was rumoured that the downhaul is on. Okay, bit of a hole coming up. Crank it in. Okay, so far, so good. So Johnny's first time on a Tornado. How does it feel so far, John?
Big.
Yeah, there's a lot of boats, isn't there? Dialing it down a little bit in the gusts. Nice. Flipping smooth though, isn't it? And okay, slight change to the schedule. We are going to chase Hector down because it'd be rude not to. You just ease the Traveller out a bit.
How much?
Yeah. See how that goes. Okay. Got the light spot there. Really cranking her in. And here we go. Let's get the hull over the powerboat. Of course, if you're thinking maybe that's giving Johnny some flashbacks from a certain video. Oh, we haven't got any mast rotation on.
Yeah, that might.
Alright, do you want to jump in? Yeah. We'll have it halfway between the shroud and the back beam. Okay. Alright. Yep.
That's alright?
Yeah. Nice one, John. He's a sprightly little chap, is our John. And let's get the jib cranked in a bit more on the sheet. As tight as you can. We're going to go right upwind now. Yeah, crank more. See all that shape in the bottom of the jib? You want that to be flat. Is that block to block? Yeah, if you can get a bit more. Okay.
Pretty tight.
Yeah, a bit more jib luff tension probably as well. Yeah. Okay, a bit more downhaul if you can. Nice. Okay, feel how that came down. That is the efficiency Right, so where's our windward mark, John? I think it'll be over your shoulder. We're going to have to tack soon.
Oh yeah.
All right.
I'd say we're laying, yeah.
Ready for the tack? Okay, here we go. Long way across the boat for John. He's used to 60 centimetres less boat. Okay, Johnny, if you would. Room for you on the side. Okay, so we're coming in for the Windward buoy. Got any more downhill available?
Perhaps. Oh yes.
There we go.
Lovely.
Pretty gusty up and down here today.
Can we play it a bit? Or is that a thing?
We're going to find it.
Okay.
Oh, we've got the Spinnaker. So this is the purpose of the shakedown, to find out what's not quite right with the boat. Just little things like having the Spinnaker sheet going over the downhill rope.
I think we've done it on both sides as well.
It just means it's near impossible to unclean the downhill should you want to. Alright, this is going to be a quick one. So as we tack, downhill off, rotation off, tack line out. High action tack, Johnny. Alright, so we're going to tack in 3, 2, 1, and we're going there. Right, let's see what Johnny's hoist has got in store for us. So bear away on the boat this time. Hold on, whoa!
It pulled itself out, sorry.
Okay, that's it. Give it some energy. All right, as the kite's sheeting in, I'm sheeting in the main.
Oh, halyard went.
All right, this is what the shakedown's for. It's also so that Johnny can learn how a cleat works. Sorry, that was mean. Right, cutting the stick off the back, getting in to the central position. Gust coming. That's it. Sheet in, but don't oversheet. Get to the back, and let's see what she's got. Okay, there's a wing down here that we don't want to hit. I'm going to come below the wing, so taking the power off. Bit of water in the face. Oh, is he going for a jibe there without looking? Yes, he is.
Do you want to be right on the corner or not?
Yeah. Okay, maybe he should. Yeah, let's have it right on the corner, and we're off. This is the joy of the Tornado. Crikey, it feels so good. You could just dial in the angle that you want your hull flying at and keep it there. So you've just got the tip of the Windward centreboard just kissing, because that's what she likes. Okay, nothing more than kissing. All right, probably not. And compared to everything else, it just feels so sensitive. Even compared to the Nacra, feels fabulously sensitive. Yeah, that's just us sailing into a hole. So as soon as that happens, sheet out again afterwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're just overtaking the apparent wind.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Right, we're going to go for a jibe shortly. So try to keep it flying as you come in. And just tell me when you're ready. That's it, keep it
ready
flying.
now?
Okay, but yeah, tell me when you're ready when you're in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm not going to jibe with you still out on the trapeze.
Right, ready.
It has been said before. We go there. That I am very kind. And straight out. Here goes John onto the trapeze. Like a ferry up the drain pipe. Alright, and getting the beams on there, bit of a gust as we get the juice going. Oh, out of the cleat again. Right, try to come in. Try to drop it, or hoist it first.
Hoist it first?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, as Aaron said, it's gone under the boat.
It's coming off. There we go. Cool. Ready for the drop?
Yeah, okay, let's go for a drop there. It's under the boat again, John.
It's like I'm sat on it, but I'm not. Whew.
Okay, so first drop.
It's a heavy kite. On the sheeting.
On the sheet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I think we need to go for another upwind, downwind, because that was inconclusive. So, let's get the mass rotation is on.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, alright. Downward speed on the other side, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this time John's served his apprenticeship, so John's getting the main sheet. Is this a good idea? Yes, it is. Right. Just come back a little bit. Drop yourself
Yeah,
on the tree. Yeah, this is why I don't use the
dog bones.
Once we know the length.
What do you reckon? Slightly long.
Okay, so this configuration, much better. John's working the main sheet so that I can hold a much steadier course. Looking for that buoy again.
You got it?
Okay, yeah, got it. And then, you know, these quiet moments on the upwind, it's a good opportunity to talk about what went on the downwind. Because on the downwind, everything's happening quite quickly.
Do you reckon a skill issue or for the cleat?
I think the cleat is a new rope issue.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Slipping out.
that is a new rope. Too much shape in the jib, which would be a
luff tension.
Issue. So
Could move it down a hole.
jib loop out here because it's a shackle, drop shackle in, that's game over apparently.
That's what they say.
That's what the shakedown's for.
Pretty close, I reckon.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't want to get into this traffic too much more.
Header.
Alright, ready to tack?
Ready?
Pretty good tack. Okay.
Whee. This side's lower by quite a way. Do you want me to take it again? Nah, we're more of a reach here, aren't we?
Short reach, so
Yeah.
I'll keep hold of it. Yeah, overstood there a bit. The wind's pretty shifty up here, so sometimes, especially in the stronger wind, it's better to overstand because the speed we gain by coming in on a footing course is better than maybe having
Gust here. Ooh.
Alright, so you're going to go in, rotation, downhaul,
Yeah.
bit of jib.
Right, I'll go in now in this
Just
low.
a little bit of jib.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit of a hole there. And a bit of a traffic check as well.
Yeah, but there's nothing to leeward.
Okay, a bit of a gust coming on here. Alright, so let's not do the tack line until we're, yeah, just a little bit of jib off. Because once we can start going fast, the apparent wind will bring it back round. Okay, getting to the back for the bear away. Yeah, there is a gust for the bear away. So here we go. Any traffic, John?
Nothing. Woo. Ready?
Just want it to settle. There we go, she settled. It's the same winger. He's in. Coming in. Where's the wing? He's hit. Okay, and say when you're ready and we'll get the power on.
Yeah, ready?
Okay, let's hit the juice. Okay,
I'll come
you
in.
can do it. Okay, so this is hopefully just a symptom of the new rope. That is
Bum in the water.
meaning it's coming out. So just ease off a bit, ease off,
Yeah.
ease off, and then we'll feel the pace come
There
on.
we go.
Here we go. I'm just watching the Spinnaker cleat. Okay, bit of a hole coming up.
Yeah.
And next gust coming, here we go. Sorry, a little bit of a shuffle on the helm. Very sensitive on the steering, as we know. Nice gust here. Here it comes.
Oh. You see what happens? What do you want me to do? Up or down?
I'm going down. All right. So that is something that certainly needs addressing.
That's very tight.
Auto dumping halyard, because the new halyard is slippery. So I might need to put that in the washing machine to get the oily slippiness off it. All right, so we'll start going upwind again.
Yep.
Heading up. Okay, just drop yourself down a little bit.
Yeah.
That just means these are tiny main sheet.
Yeah.
It's complete automatically.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm loving the pink trapeze wires.
Yeah, looking up the mast and the pink trapeze line against all the white. It's pretty nice.
I reckon that's an intimidation on the race course.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
That would. I'd start to worry mine were looking too boring if I saw you next to me.
So for upwind, this is feeling quick. Must be about 13, 14 knots.
Sounds about right.
Alright, we're just going to ping it off a bit. I'll go round the back of this yacht, and then we'll ping it off onto a very powered close reach.
Do you want anything eased?
No. Ideally, I'd have the mast rotation off a little bit,
Yeah.
but a bit too much for palaver.
Not worth the faff.
We haven't got the rotation so that we can play it from the trapeze. That would be very handy, but it's quite a system to put in. And I think we've got bigger fish to fry. Like slippy Spinnaker halyard. Full on.
Oh yes.
Right, here we go. Coming down to shade.
Ooh. Oh yes.
Feels good.
It does.
Big streaky gusts up ahead.
It's a lot of bow when you stood back here, isn't there?
Yeah. Looks so good. I'm not saying it's the undisputed king of catamarans, because people do dispute that. If people didn't dispute it, then it would be undisputed. I'd say it is awesome. Alright, back in the corner, we're going to come down.
Ooh yes.
Getting
Getting in the strap. Hey. Lovely.
Take a bit of a hold up ahead.
Yeah.
Woo. Got to slow down.
Oh yes.
Okay, we're going to come up here.
Yeah.
Grab us and settle down.
Aye aye aye.
Stop when we get to the buoy.
Buoy.
Sticky
That
ice.
sounds good. Oh no. Sun cream and salt.
Yeah. In fact, we'll stop before we get to the buoy. There's a bit of traffic. So yeah, we'll go into the boat there. Okay, so there we go. First shakedown. I think, you know, with a shakedown, you don't want it. Well, you want anything that's going to go wrong to go wrong. You don't want the second sail or the first race at the Europeans to be when things start going wrong. So it is good to know that things are going to go wrong. during your shakedown. Yes, that's right, back on Bad Boy 94 with Johnny. Just finished our shakedown, but we want to do some more. So I think we need to jump out on the trapeze, go straight down the mine shaft. First, the traffic is upon us. Into the foot strap. Here we go, traffic is upon us. So we're coming down to escape the traffic which is upon us. That's a pretty high action start with a bit of traffic upon us.
Do you want me to travel you down a little bit?
Yeah, lovely.
Oh.
Yeah. Still using that.
Got it.
Okay. Okay, nice, yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah, lush.
Whee! Oh, she's quick.
Oh, it's quick, says John. Glad you noticed. Oh! Could be one for the, well, will be one for the speed stick. It's my first time out on this year.
Got this wind turbine in the water.
Yeah.
In leeward. I wouldn't like to say it, but I think this is great 14 weather.
Yeah, I know. This is great weather for everything. Yeah, that's right. We're sailing Vasiliki Bay, left coast Greece. Champagne conditions like this often. You go traveller down a little bit more. Just running it a little bit flat there. Vision. A little bit nosy when we start lifting the hull. On this angle, this is a bit deep for this girl. I think all boats have a happy reaching angle, and this kind of Hobie 16 angle on the Tornado is a little bit deep. Oh no, my trapeze is too short for the photo.
You're gonna look like a rookie.
Yeah, I know, but I've got a hand free. Woohoo! That looked good, got the bow out of it. Right, let's go forwards.
Yeah.
Do it. I'm travelling in the main or travelling out the jib. I know which is going to be easier. Got a bit of backwinding mainsail there.
Yes.
So that is
Like
a byproduct of there being too much hook in the jib.
Not enough slot.
This is probably a good 22 knots now.
Probably is. Dead flat still.
It's all relative to what type of boat you're on.
Whoa.
Like, if you want to dart 18 in this, you'd probably say yeah, it's about 16 knots. But if you're sailing a 49er, you'd probably say touching 30. Whereas on a Tornado, I think that's 22. So, let's go for that procedure. Get the kite up. Gonna go for a big dirty bear away. I'll wait for the biggest gun. So, chuck the traveller in and jump.
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, bearing away. Oh. There we go. Really cling into the back. Put out the foot. Okay, and we're ready to deploy Slippy Blue. Yeah, all the way off with the rotation's good.
Yeah. Happy?
Okay, yeah, let's have it.
Oh, I'll get some wraps. Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, Johnny's a good rapper. He's a gangster rapper. All right, so when you're ready,
Okay, ready.
let's arc it up.
There we go.
You could feel that, come on. Yeah. Yeah, there's some pace there. That feels very quick. Don't know what the telemetry is saying, but hopefully it's saying some pretty big numbers. My watch is beeping, water speed running, which means it'll buzz every time we go a bit quicker, which is quite nice. Oh, that's fast. You alright, John?
All good.
How's the excitement level?
I'd say good, very exciting. Oh.
Bit of a hole, which means might have a high octane bear away coming up. Got a ferry coming in as well.
Yikes, there we go.
Okay, let's go for a drive there. Say when you're ready.
Oh, one moment, I'm just a bit of a tangle.
Okay.
Yeah, ready when you are.
All right, let's go. Nice. Okay, actually let's drop it straight away because of the ferry.
Yeah.
Got to be a quick drop, so take up the slack first.
Yeah, I'm just going to undo the...
Yeah.
Okay.
There's Johnny taking up the slack, releasing the halyard. Best job of the day. It needs to be, otherwise we are going under the Kefalonia ferry. Move out as the puff's going up. Bit of mast rotation on the shit. That's called main sheet, around the leg. It's a move that I have been perfecting. Of course, we wouldn't have wanted to set it there as well. Right.
All right.
Always have the camera scrolling. Main sheet round the foot. Good look.
Okay.
Okay.
How high are we going? I can get the jib on a bit. No, not the jib. Yeah, the jib.
Yeah. I think we're going to reach here. Let's take it back in.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Here we go. There's your traveller.
Thank you.
Crikey. That's not falling off, by the way.
was fairly close. Is that going to make some sort of outtakes clip at the end? Intakes. Right. Oh, there's outshore's down there as well. Hey.
Bit of a wheelie. Not much, I hope. Alright, let's go back onto the boat here.
Yeah. I'll give you that. Whoa.
Going in nice and early.
Real smooth.
Pull off there as well.
Yeah.
Well done, Johnny.
Thank
Put
you.
in the comments, say well done, Johnny. I think I was mean to him at times. Put that in the comments as well. You're so mean to Johnny. Okay, and I'll see you soon with some more on Joyrider TV during tornado season. Oh yes.
See you later.
Nice. Got a bit of fogging on that camera.